Hi guys, thanks for tuning in. Today is going to be a short video where I'm just going to show my DIY for kitchen area where I can place my soap for dishes and the bleach container, things like that. So the bottom part is from Dollar Tree, it's a candle holder, and the top tray is from IKEA, but you can get similar types of things from other stores as well. So they kind of matched and looked fit together. And I hot glued both of them and let it sit for a few hours to dry it out, and it was ready to go. And it's very sturdy. It's a fancy way to keep your all the dish items instead of just having it roaming around the area. And it's very neat and fancy and very easy and quick to do. And I hope you liked it and enjoyed it, and you do this the same way in your house. It could be also used for bathroom area. It's very cute. All right, thanks. That's it. Bye bye.